I wanna be drunk when I wake up, on the right side of the wrong bed. Never an excuse I made up. To tell you the truth, I hate what didn't kill me. It never made me stronger at all. Love will scar your makeup, lipsticks to me, so now I maybe lean back there. I'm sat here, wishing I was sober. No, I'll never hold you like I used to. But a house gets cold when you cut the heating. Without you to hold, I'll be freezing. Can't rely on my heart for beating, 'cause you take parts of it every evening. Take words out of my mouth just from breathing, and replace with phrases like when you're leaving me. Should I? Maybe I'll get drunk again. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again, to feel a little love. I wanna hold your heart in both hands and watch it fizzle at the bottom of a Coke can. And I got no plans for the weekend, just so we speak then, keep you between friends. No one know you'll never love me like you used to. But the cold days, cold plays out with the band saying, you know I can't think of things with a handshake. You cut me wide open like landscape, but never champagne to applaud you with the sounds that my hands make. Should I? Maybe I'll get drunk again. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again, to feel a little love. All by myself, I'm here again. All by myself, I will never change. All by myself. I'm just drunk again. I'm just drunk again. I'm just drunk again, to feel a little love.